So I hope I hope people bought tickets to the gun show.
Good morning, everyone. We are live, and I've got Mike with me from the very first second. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning. It's nice to have that link ready and waiting
Yeah.
for you.
I don't know. You haven't been asking me for that link, but I saw your note yesterday, and I think I got to give this guy a link up front.
Or we need to get enough viewers so that you could spring
Yes.
for that $90 membership.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I got to advertise a little bit more. I'm actually thinking after the summer holidays, I'm gonna have a little giveaway, but I have to organize that first and then to advertise that a little bit to bring people on. There's a big correlation between me putting a post out in the morning and then people joining stream. So I gotta keep reminding the viewers every single day, but that's fine. I'm completely wasted.
Still alive.
Huh?
You gotta remind people you're still alive, you know?
Exactly, yeah. On a daily basis. I'm barely alive today because I was outside. You know, I slept in a shelter overnight,
Mm-hmm.
and it was, I mean, there were hundreds of mosquitoes, and I was sleeping like open air. So I was just, I ended up having a cotton shirt over my face just to keep them away, and I was in my sleeping bag, and it was like, what was it? It was like 65 degrees. So it was just too hot to be in a sleeping bag. So yeah, I suffered, but my kids were all right. So they're troopers.
Why didn't you just go inside with your kids?
Inside where? I was in the forest.
Didn't you say that they were in like some sort of like structure?
No, it's a good morning, Griffin. It's called a shelter. It's like it's got one side open, so it's just like a roof with some walls, and then there's one side open, and you have like a view to like the forest, right? So it's completely open like that. So we were just the only targets around for mosquitoes.
Oh,
yeah. So I got bitten pretty hard. So if I'm itching and scratching here, I'm that you know why. And I didn't get that much sleep.
Sounds like the worst.
Make sure I'm watching your actual video to make sure that you're itching and scratching.
Yeah, itchy and scratchy.
I want to show something I'm very proud of.
Mm-hmm.
Better be cool.
Better be.
I mean, to me, it's cool. I don't even know if anyone's watching yet, but this is my swing trading. This is my swing trading account. Lots of colors. Don't worry about the colors.
There we go.
Don't worry about the colors.
But Good morning.
This is where I got long yesterday.
Yeah.
At 74.
What asset are we talking here?
This is ES or micros, okay. MES.
Yeah.
Took half off, and I was like, all right, I'm just gonna let the other half ride. And I was literally one tick from getting stopped out over here.
Oh.
But I did not get stopped out, and I'm currently in 75 points of profit.
Wow.
Nice.
That's beautiful.
Stop at the overnight low.
What a beautiful story.
Yeah. So nice. Your stop was defined by what was the stop placement defined by?
It's kind of on this swing account, I'm testing different trade management strategies. Mm-hmm. This one, it's a very much a fixed stop size of 7 points. And that can adjust with volatility. But at the moment in this volatility, I'm trying 7 points.
Yeah.
And so from here, 7 points was like right there.
Yeah. Okay.
And I just didn't get stopped out. Where does 7 points come from? It was kind of like a random guess.
Okay.
I don't have an answer for that. Maybe I will have some sort of mathematical answer in the future, but that's where I left out right now.
You should have some intelligent stop placement level, like key level somewhere, and then it takes a few ticks off that kept you in the trade. Was it personal capital?
Yeah, this is personal capital.
Okay, nice.
The idea was that, I mean, like 7 points was below that low that we made
Yeah.
It was like below this low. My screen's still showing. It just like almost hit it, but didn't quite hit it. It was like a little sweep and then went all the way up. So
yeah. Okay. Nice. I've put on the news VWAP just to see what, and that's actually where we're sitting on MES right now, just opening right at it. But it was actually drifting lower, not necessarily using the news VWAP for anything, but just monitoring. And then when we get a bit more structure, we see the other VWAPs playing a part, then I'm gonna take it back off. But
new user, Real Momentum Trader. Welcome to the channel.
Real Momentum Trader. Yes.
What are you thinking today? What do you guys think?
Where is the real momentum? That's the real question.
Yeah. It's in the Micron stock.
Yeah. Don't remind me.
I had a really nice spillover to my stock positions as well. It's super nice. I've got Teradyne, like I said the other day, is up like 5%.
SpaceX is up 3%. Hell yeah.
Nice. To the moon.
Still waiting for that gamma squeeze.
Yeah. Here's some sort of squeeze or dump.
Too many pop and drops right now. I'm with you, Momentum Trader.
Yep.
Too many popping.
Feeling it.
Yeah. If you were watching yesterday, I was saying how I literally had like almost no levels to trade, but like once we tapped the VWAP and then flushed under, I was like, okay, I have a level to trade now, and I was able to finally get a long there on the swing trade. But now we're kind of back in no man's land. We're at monthly and weekly VWAP. There's not any clear direction, so back to the intraday levels for me again.
Yep.
Did you refresh? You buy new accounts?
No, so I did reset it, but at the moment I have the shitter account.
Oh yeah,
because I feel like I'm a little bit more aggressive on this account because I have to make 5,000 to make 1,000.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's ridiculous. You got to push that.
What is that?
So this was this is an Ignite account that has an ESS score still. So my one day I forgot to take off an order on the DOM, and it got filled, and I got max loss for 1,000. So there goes the ESS score. So now I'm able to make 1,000 a day though.
I can never remember what the ESS actually does. So it's the average of your wins and losses, or biggest, or what is it?
I don't know, man.
It's your biggest winner and your biggest loser.
That
combined.
I knew it was a scam from the get-go, but the account was like $30 or something.
Wait,
it was something crazy low.
No, if you don't have a big winner yet, you can't make 1,000 on it because it's your biggest winner and your biggest loser added up.
Oh, okay. Well, so I got a $1,000 winner yesterday. So
okay. So now you're gonna have to make like 10 grand or something.
Oh, great.
Because it's like your biggest winner and your biggest loser can't be what, more than 30%? Is that what it is, or 20%?
All I know is that I checked the dashboard this morning. It said I needed to make $5,090 in order to take a profit.
Oh, and that was this morning, so you should be good. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Real Momentum. I have a cash account and a bunch of prop firm accounts. So I trade both. I'm a little bit. I trade different styles on each. Definitely more conservative on the cash account because it's like it feels more real because it actually is real. But prop firms are the goal because I don't have enough cash to make myself a full-time trader on a cash account.
To swing 3 minis like you did yesterday, or?
Yeah. Well, I actually, it's funny you say that. I did take a 20 micro trade on this account yesterday, and that's where I got my $1,000 win.
Nice.
Or 900, whatever it was.
I just for the comment there in the chat, I also trade prop. I do have like a long-term investment, like savings and so on, but I just day trade prop, and I'm pretty happy with the straight to funded, the sim funded accounts. So I'll probably buy 1 or 2 of them per month, something like that, and then trade them. I've just recently bought a few evals as well because there was just a stupid cheap offer. Blew 2 of them out of the 4 that I bought, and then I have 2 of them halfway to passing. So, and they have this activity rule, so I have to trade them within a month. I'm gonna go traveling next week, so I'm gonna have to trade them within the week. So,
and I trade strictly prop. So there you have it.
What are y'all looking at today? Let's see.
Yeah,
I'm gonna wait. I mean, I have no clear bias right now.
No, me neither. I mean, if we come back, so we've got the yesterday's New York VWAP sitting below us and not too far off, but so I want to trade long above the 3 VWAPs if we can get that. If we're below, I don't know where we're going, because I think that 74.20 level is still in play as a support. But obviously there's a way down there, so we could break all 3 VWAPs and see it come further down. But I'm not really attracted to the shorts at this point because of the distance of the VWAPs.
Mm-hmm. I just put on the VWAPs here so people.
Yeah.
Friday, New York, overnight. And then New York is just starting now. So
the key thing for me is to see a little bit more structure compared to what we saw yesterday, because it was, I mean, you can even see it on the 15 minutes from yesterday. The first 45 minutes was nothing but chop.
Yesterday was bad.
Yeah. So
no trades for me yesterday.
Yeah, I just posted a reel this morning about yesterday, just telling people how I stayed flat through the session there. I mean, there were, like you said, Mike, there were some setups presenting later on after 11 a.m., but I was off the desk at that point.
I left too. I was gone.
And it's funny with these. I mean, I think the news here at 8:30 was mixed, but it's still just, it pops like that and then just retraces. Micron pops yesterday and then it just flatlines for the entire overnight session.
I could be interested in a double break today to the upside.
Mm-hmm.
If that presents, if we break back above, we'd have VWAP alignment. That'd be nice.
Definitely.
I don't know why it's not showing. Oh, it's because yes. It's like, where's my trade markers? I was trying to show you my long from yesterday that I took on this account.
It's funny, Mike, with this indicator, because now I have 2 of them on my indicator list. Like it kind of remembered that I had the other one.
It's funny. That might have been your own platform just bugging out.
Maybe.
Don't blame the indicator. Chartsmith.dev.
Chartsmith.
I think I took this long right here. I like the mini pullback. And like I just took it and then cut it near the high.
What was the idea for entry there?
It was very much a volume profile based entry. So,
okay.
Which Chris calls it an advanced setup playbook, but it's really a continuation of this. Calls it price discovery continuation is off the upper band, and then this setup is a continuation of that setup. If that makes sense.
Okay. Yep.
So like the idea is that there was like a mini volume distribution here at the time, and you're just fading the bottom area of the distribution because price built up here for a few minutes.
So in this situation, you would have a low volume node in that rip there, where it rips from the band and up to the new sort of balance.
Yeah, watch. See, this is what the volume node would have looked like at that time, or just for that.
Yeah. But I'm saying area. Below that, there's a low volume node, so it's acting as support underneath.
Yep.
There's hardly any volume there, right?
There's hardly any volume right here.
Yeah. So sellers came back in.
Yeah, they're going right to my stop. That make me unhappy. It's okay. The beauty
Oh, you were
of-
holding that from yesterday?
Yeah. No,
Okay.
I'm holding on my swing account.
Yeah.
410 is my long on my swing account, but my stop is
Okay.
at 50 right now.
Okay.
Which,
is it
you know-
the stop is in profit or?
Oh yeah, the stop is
Yeah.
$200 in profit, 250 in profit,
Nice.
right? No, 200 $200 in profit. So what did I give back? I gave back $200 from the high, which
Mhm.
sucks, but
Part of the game.
part of the game.
Can't pick the highs. Yeah. Let's see if it finds some support here at the V1.
Yeah.
It's just going
Got 4
straight
minutes till the
down.
opening range sets.
Nothing but selling. Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight down.
If sellers keep telling me they're in control, I'll short it today. I'm not too scared of it. I used to be.
How's your account doing? What's the distance to payout now?
2 trades.
2 trades.
And $700 from payout, so just about
Nice.
2 medium-sized trades.
Yeah.
Or one really large trade.
I can't. The consistency is 600. That's the most.
consistency's
I
Yeah. But you can go for 700. You just have to do a few more trades then.
Yeah. Thanks for
I had
pushing
this-
bad habits, though.
I saw this guy post a story on Instagram where he said, "My grandkids are gonna inherit this consistency score because he just let it run like crazy."
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
I've never seen Price just like chase my stops so hard.
Pretty big opening range here, too.
It's coming for it.
It's okay. And I'm out.
Congrats, $200.
Yeah, I mean, listen, I think total the trade was still like 350-ish
Mhm.
because I took partial off before.
Right.
But you know, it would have been nice to see it go. Like the full target just so was 75-20.
Dang. That would have been a huge trade.
Yeah.
350-point opening range right now on NQ, and it's just getting bigger.
Oh,
I need to put on
man.
the juice. What's going on here?
I don't know if I do want to buy it.
No, I don't want to buy anything.
Buy it.
Well, I was
The only
game
thing in
planning
the
that
juice right
double
now
break.
is-
But
the
that
only
was
thing in the
30
juice right
points
now is
ago.
PC.
Yeah. Yeah, the double
I
break
said
is
I
going to
was-
be.
What? When I said I was game planning that double break, that was 26 points ago. Now 20, now 29, 30 points ago on ES. I said,
That's
I'll
fucking
look for a double
crazy.
break today. Now I don't think 30 points lower. I want to. Something's going on.
Yeah.
There's nothing on the news.
No,
which,
there
like,
isn't.
Normally, this amount of selling would have some sort of news.
50 something point opening range. That's huge.
Yeah.
All right. I mean,
If-
the clear, you know, let's do this. The clear idea is this. Pull back to the band. I'll probably have to drag this down at some point because
Yeah, I'm thinking very
Apple's
similar.
dropping 5%. What's Apple doing? What's the Apple news?
Down 5%.
Seems all the stocks are down.
Apple's down 5%. Well, that Apple's number 3 on the list, so that's going to drag the S&P down a shit ton.
Yeah. Is your SpaceX still up or probably not?
SpaceX at break even right now.
Well, shit.
Unlike yesterday, this is a pretty clear first 15 minute
Yeah.
candle.
I'm like, I
Almost
know
too
what I
clear.
want to do.
Yeah.
Like, I want to sell it.
The only news on Apple is that they're raising prices on their devices, which I guess is extremely bearish.
Yeah, it's already pretty expensive, so I could see people being like, "Come on."
But we're all addicts, right? So they can just charge us more money. So
I'm
Oh, yeah.
going to
Could be
continue
good for the
buying
company.
them.
It's what is
Yeah.
it called? It's inelastic.
yes, exactly. Yeah, people don't care.
Yep.
Holy
You're gonna buy it
shit.
anyway.
Yep. So it should be bullish, right? Should be bullish for the company.
For the yeah, I guess so. Actually, yeah. Morning, boys. Ryan says, "Yes, sir."
Holy fuck!
We're
Morning.
gonna catch a banger.
Let's catch
I
it.
don't think there's anything to catch right now unless you want to catch some knives.
A falling
Yeah.
knife.
Catch some knives.
I mean, there's a part of me that just wants to hit the sell market button and just like join,
Yeah.
but like
Yeah.
I got that same
Something-
itch. You know what I mean? It's just
Something
there.
that I
It's
find
always there.
sometimes, when I do that, besides actually selling the bottom, which can occur, right? It has to take quite a long time and a lot of points to the downside when you just market enter like that to actually like say put your stop at break even. Let's say I enter here at 74.20. I put my stop maybe at 74.40. And it has to rip all the way down to below 7,400 to just, and it's not attractive.
I know. How many times do you see this aggressive selling though, and then it goes down another 70 points, and you're like,
Yeah.
if I just click the button,
Yeah.
like you just think you're like,
And if we didn't have the rules, about opening range and so on, we could have sold that rejection at, what is it, 937?
that would have been ridiculous. That would have
Yeah.
been so crazy.
But that's not what we do.
I'm drawing up a short. I'm sure you guys both are too, just on a pullback.
Yeah.
yeah, I mean my limit's already there.
Nice. At what level? 50?
I mean it's at 50, but with this amount of volume, the bands will expand a lot and fast. So like I'm continuously dragging it down to meet the band.
Yeah.
Your band is similar to the same price as New York VWAP where I want to get short. So
Yeah.
Look, there it is.
Yeah, and it's converging right now. So previous day and today's New York at the same level now.
yep.
Everything coming down fast. I'm also wary that, in these market conditions, we are pretty sideways, even if we're tending a bit downwards. It could go right back up across, right?
Of course.
So I'm gonna have to see some interaction with New York before I assess which direction I'm gonna go.
And you're right. We've seen a lot of those days recently where we get a big move, either up or down,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then it just erases the entire move.
Yeah, exactly.
So you get this move, and then it'll all be bought back up. But like, I'm still gonna try it.
Yeah, true. Coming down.
I mean, if we ever get a pullback, I'll try it.
Yeah, 70. So we are at this 74.20, 74.15. It's
For the
yesterday's lows approaching.
For the
Yeah.
record, I almost hit the sell button at, what was it, 34?
Is that when we were saying that?
Pretty sure.
Oh, dude.
I mean, listen, I can moan and groan about it all I want, but that's not a setup.
I know. And then if you
Awesome.
did do it and it wins, you look like a hero. You're like, look at that entry, and then it loses. You're like,
Yeah.
what the
That's
hell is wrong with me? Why did I even
Yeah.
think to do that?
Literally the definition of reinforcing bad habits.
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
exactly.
You would have caught 20 points and been like, check me out. Look at this banger trade.
We missed this one, but the way I see it is, if I was to sell my car, and New York VWAP was the good price to get for it in an auction, would I sell it down here?
No.
No.
That's
We don't
you're
sell it down
describing auction market theory. I
Yes,
don't know.
in a practical way.
Some people,
Same.
some people would panic sell their car with the assumption that it's going to go to zero. The value is going to go to zero, and they want to get something for it before it goes to
In a
zero.
split second, I gotta sell this now. Did you guys
Well,
know they approved full self-driving in Denmark just last week?
Yeah, I think you told me that. I think I
Yeah.
heard that from you.
Hey, yes, but you'd be a lot cooler right now if you were Norwegian. As
Why?
opposed to
Because of the football, soccer.
Yeah, they're causing a big a positive ruckus in the
Nice.
States. Everyone seems to be on the bandwagon of Norway.
I saw the same thing about the Scottish
Yeah,
fans.
the Scottish fans
Yeah.
are having a lot of fun going to baseball
Yeah,
games.
I didn't see that. That's funny. They're just tearing it up.
Yeah, like every pitch, they're like, oh.
That's hilarious.
Okay, what are we looking at here?
If you want to get really aggressive, you can get a short off the New York lower band. That's like super aggressive, but it looks like it might.
It's a little
work
bit
out.
like a handoff trade,
Oh,
right?
like right
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
let's
it's-
see if that lines up with a handoff. No,
Pretty much
handoff is
does.
at opening range low.
Yeah. We're not even at the handoff yet. That's how aggressive this move is.
Yep.
Did you ever, in Brian Shannon's book, he also talks about the handoffs of the handoffs. You can trade them too.
I'm not doing that ever.
But he talks about them on the daily chart, not on the
Yeah.
day chart.
The 1 minute. Yeah.
I could
It's fractal. It
understand.
should work on the 1 minute.
Like I could understand looking at a daily chart and being like, oh, that makes sense. So like here,
Yeah.
like here's my daily chart of Micron, right?
Yeah. But that's what trips me up about stocks. I've been trying to swing trade, and I mean, I mean, I have had some success, but over the winter, it was just, I mean, I'd lost some, I'd win some, pretty much break even. But what trips me up about stocks and swing trading, putting stop loss orders in and so on, they jump all over the place. I mean, you'll get gaps every now and then, and I didn't really like it.
That makes sense.
Look at that. The handoff of the handoff worked on Micron.
Wow.
Nice. Well, it worked right now in ES as well on the 1 minute. It perfectly rejected the handoff of the handoff.
Did it really?
Yeah. I'll bring my screen up. You can see it. This is what you want to trade. Can you
Alright,
see
there
the
we go.
yellow lines? There we go.
Yeah,
Boom,
and this
right
this
there.
is signals, by the way.
That's why we're live.
This was the one thing I hated about like ASFX. Not the only thing I disagreed with their entire system is that like they should have never put the handoff in their trading system, because that's
Yeah.
like the number one thing that they get asked about, and it's
Yeah.
really the least used and the least valuable tool that they have.
That's so true. That's so true. And everyone would always be like, "Can you talk more about the handoff? Can you
Yeah.
show us examples of the handoff?" Like everyone.
Can
in
you
chat
show us
teaches-
examples of how to force a trade?
It's
Yeah,
a
well,
forced
that's
trade.
what it
It's
is.
a forced
setup.
trade.
That's what it is. ASFX
Yeah.
like is very much about like 1, maybe 2 trades a day. On an extremely volatile day, you might find 3, and
Yeah.
everyone wants to have 10 trades. That's
Yeah.
That's what the handoff gets you. It's a forced entry when you're like, I just want to be involved. I want to get in a trade right now. Let me throw on a handoff and see
Yeah.
where.
And
See where it's
suddenly
at.
I can
Oh,
get
you know
in a
what?
trade.
like, oh, we're rejecting the handoff perfectly right now. This is great. Let me get in.
There's
And
always
it's
a
a lower
lever.
probability trade too.
The same thing with the high of day, low of day setups, right? It's
Yeah.
do you really want to buy a high of day?
No.
So
Yeah, those burnt me.
if we start getting to 73, 63, that's like my like super ideal area for longs on, or like reinvestments on ES.
Okay.
So just a call out there.
That's still quite a way down, I would say.
Is
The
it?
farther we
I
slope
mean, we
down
just
here-
dropped 300 points ish.
That's what I'm saying. Are we gonna
490.
drop another?
We just dropped 100 points on ES in 15 minutes. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, we're sinking.
what are we? And we're only 40 points away.
Yeah, 100 points. Yeah, we could hit that soon.
Again,
We could hit that in the next 30 minutes. I hope we get a pullback first.
could have hit that sell button Didn't do it.
Yeah, we would have been up a lot of points right now. That's your fault.
Yeah. All my fault.
You said 34 would be up 40 points. Wow.
Easy peasy.
Yeah. See, the farther we sink here, the farther I'm like, I don't have a clear stop loss.
No.
I was going to put it at 77 above that little wick there, above all VWAPs. And
yeah, me too. Me too.
it's just like, it's really, the R multiple is not bad to the low. Good Lord, give us a pullback. Yeah, I'm with you, Ryan. We're just sinking.
And this is one of the, I mean, I remember this from the Black Shirt Club, discussing these things where you're sitting for, we could be sitting for another 45 minutes waiting for, easy on a day like this, waiting for a good pullback, right?
Oh, yeah.
Really takes patience.
I'm torn. I want to try and take this aggressive one at the RTH.
Longing or short?
Short.
Okay.
I mean, assuming we get a pullback to, 15 points higher.
I'm going to throw a third handoff on there, and we're going to get at it at 410. The handoff to the handoff to the handoff is there.
That's where RTH lower New York lower band is, 410.
There we go. I think we just do that. If we all do it,
we
move the market
extra sim liquidity to bring it down.
with the sim liquidity. Yeah.
It's actually probably a good idea when you think about it.
It can't go any lower, right?
I mean, no.
Or it can.
No, it can. Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah.
So a lot of people will, I mean, this is also a strategy to sell the break and retest of yesterday's lows, right? That's where we are in MES now.
Okay. Ticks coming in for the pullback.
Boom. Who's long? Anyone long in the chat?
I am waiting. I have my limit sell it.
Are you serious, Griffin?
No.
No, okay. Sorry, Mike, you what?
I have 410 short. But I didn't get it yet. That's where my limit
And what was
is.
the explanation there? I'll just bring up your screen. You must have some levels to trade off.
It's a very aggressive short, don't get me wrong, but it's on the puck round account, so it can be aggressive. But the idea is that it's a continuation off the lower band on the ETH, and I, was being stubborn, and I could have got entered here, and I didn't.
Right.
I wanted that 410 to have a little bit of a safer stop loss, but all right.
I just want a damn
Second chance.
pullback.
Yep, me too.
Okay.
Give us a pullback.
I don't like this anymore.
But I still see
I don't like it.
I still see this when we're in this kind of, you might disagree with me, but kind of sideways price action on the higher time frame.
Oh, 100%.
I agree with you.
we
I
could-
thought you meant today.
we-
I was going to say you're stupid.
No, just for the month of June. Like
Yeah.
we're still in this 400 point range, like for 2 months, but sellers could get exhausted.
Look at that.
And then we see
range.
it rip back across, and you could get a daily candle. Like, let me just bring the daily candle up actually and see. You could get this pickup, right, where the daily is just a massive wick to the downside, and then we recover.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
The range, if you take the range on Tuesday of last week, on the 9th, or the week before that, sorry, the range is much bigger than what we're seeing right now. So we're not done yet. We are definitely expanding the range.
We're so patient.
We are so patient. There's a W right there.
Here's one of the problems with indicators. You see this? How it looks like it's tapping this level right here?
Yeah.
In real time, it did not tap that level.
Oh, wow.
That's because indicators have a concept called repainting, that as new information comes in, it updates the calculations. So
Strange.
No, it's an unfortunate part of all indicators. All non-static indicators. So for instance, like prior day low doesn't change. Like that's not going to repaint.
Okay.
But like moving averages, any
VWAP.
sort of oscillator, VWAPs, they all repaint, and it's just part of the game. That's why setups look so much better when you're journaling versus like when you're trading in real time.
You got to take those screenshots in the right on the
In real time.
on the close.
Right when they happen.
Yeah.
We're below yesterday's low now. Shorts of the play. I mean, yeah, shorts have been the play.
I mean, yeah, for many reasons, that's just one of them. Orange Grove.
Yeah.
What happens if I Google Orange Grove Capital Group?
It's this massive hedge
You got to
fund.
tell us.
Oh, how's the typing? Can y'all hear it?
It's much better.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it's much better. Yeah. So I could be tempted to short if we reject previous day's lows here. Short it on my eval.
Can you invest my money, Orange Grove?
Oh, it's got a YouTube channel. Nice. Gonna follow that.
Ooh,
Sweet.
Singapore. And they're legit.
Yep.
They got lots of money there.
Now I get these notifications from my Danish broker where I have my stocks, and then they're always like, at least being a day trader, seeing this stuff here, I get a notification now that the US markets are opening red. No shit.
That's funny.
Probably got 50 paid analysts to sit there and push notifications like that.
The real question here is a stop loss placement.
Oh no, it's failing to modify my order.
Oh,
I want less size, but I don't want to take it off because
You're about to get picked up.
I'm just gonna bring up my screen to your question, Griffin, because I'm looking at a 30-ish point stop with 2 micros.
Me too.
So $330, and then because you can see where it rejected before, it was this area here, and that's where New York is now. So that price is a good price to sell, I guess. And then going for the session lows could be a setup. Sorry, I got the screen. You're back. You're in a trade.
I'm in a trade, but it's gonna stop me out real quick
Why do you say that?
because it's
Right,
not
stop.
stopping. It's not
Because
stopping.
it's minis.
No, this is 10 micros.
That's a
But
mini.
Yeah, it's
That is a mini.
But I did want to downsize, and it's just like every time I tried to modify the order, it didn't let me. But if it wasn't my fuck around account, then I would have just canceled it. If it yeah. We're at New York VWAP now though, so that's another
We are.
protection.
I don't like the 15-minute. I mean, it could be an easy short, but I might take it on the eval.
I mean, listen, to me, this is like it might fail, but like this is what we were waiting for all morning. We're like,
Yeah.
where's
Oh,
the
yeah.
pullback? Where's the
100%.
pullback? Where's the pullback? Here's your pullback. Are you gonna take it or not?
Yeah, I'm gonna take
True.
it.
Yeah, I'm also gonna take it.
I mean, listen,
Actually,
wait
just got
for your
short right
rejection
there.
candle. You know, like you're
Yeah.
But
It is a setup.
I got short on that last candle.
Yeah, me too. I'm short at 25. And
Oh,
here comes the rip.
26.50. Oh wow. I'm 26.50.
Got it. Buyers. Boom.
Wow.
That was my eval.
It's gone?
Oversized. Yeah.
Oh wow. What size are you in?
I just maxed size, so
Oh wow.
yeah.
Because that was my eval. I gotta stop at 56, and it's not really. There's no real reason behind the stop loss. It's just kind of where I really want the stop loss is at 76. I'm not doing like a 50 or 60 point stop.
No.
Unfortunately, I'm just not doing that. So I'll go with the tighter stop, and we'll see what happens.
And where is that? Come again?
At 56.
Okay.
So if I get stopped out and it goes lower, I'll learn from it and say, yeah, maybe I should have done the wider stop, but I don't want to.
Got it.
These buyers are just as aggressive as the sellers were. Maybe
Yeah,
more.
it's crazy. Look at
50
that. 15
points in the
minutes.
last 10 minutes or whatever.
Yeah.
In the last 7 minutes, we've gone up 50 points. Maybe I should have thought of that before entering.
Yeah, the volatility
That's
is crazy.
pretty
But you were
aggressive
what?
buying.
It was 2 micros?
I'm in 3, but I'm risking
Okay.
470 or something to make about the
Okay.
same. I got
Yeah.
oh yeah, 1.1 hour trade. So
Yeah.
I mean it's just when you put that in perspective, where I entered, we'd gone up like 40 points in 5 minutes. Maybe that's a bit of a sign buyers are stepping in pretty hard.
Ryan is confirming with Bookmap. I'm not sure, Ryan. Is it orders sitting above? Is it CVD? What is it?
Yeah, I don't read Bookmap at all, but Bookmap's cool.
No, me neither.
Cool. I just don't use it.
I mean, there's 125 orders at 50, but that's like nothing crazy.
Right.
So it must be CBD.
Did it flip positive? It probably flipped positive already at around like 10 a.m. or something like that.
Won't have no longs for me unless we close above all view ops. I'd be with that too. It's
I
a little
took
bit scary
CBD
to
off.
take longs in this. What'd you say?
I took CBD off my indicators.
Did you get stopped out?
Oh, I got stopped out.
Oh, so I'm the only one riding this out?
Well, I have a re-entry at the New York VWAP,
Okay.
but let's see. CBD. Yeah, CBD's roaring up.
Looks like it. Was it really hard down earlier?
Yeah. There's a concept that one of my mentors told me called delta neutral, though. So the idea is that, like, once they get back to zero CVD, there's an equal amount of buyers and sellers. And that's where all the longs that got stuck before will look to get out, and all the shorts will look to defend.
Okay.
You know, similar to like a support and resistance. It's just the concept plays out on cumulative volume delta.
So that second 15-minute candle of the session is completely retraced.
Wow.
You want to go to Griffin screen since he's the one technically currently in?
Mm-hmm.
Throw it up. Hold on. Who's up right now? Oh, there we go.
Oof. Yeah, we could still easily come back down.
Hopefully. I'm like, in my head, I'm like, I feel like I should have a wider stop here, give it room. Like, this is where I really want to be out.
Yeah.
But I just, like, I want to see. I want to draw it up. Oh, I can't. Wait.
The risk manager
50
first,
points.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, where was my stop? Discard. There we go.
56 or what was it?
Yeah, 56. I just can't do that stop, but like this could easily get stopped and be a rejection of overnight VWAP and come lower.
Mm-hmm.
But I just gotta accept it.
Yep. It's a crazy retracement, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
this is where I also want to, I mean, moves like this from the open to now, I kind of want to feel, I feel like I want to explain it. I want to find that reason why it made this dump and then retraced, but it's probably no reason. It's
just a lot of these huge moves have been fully bought back up or sold back down.
Yeah.
It's almost like the sellers are exhausted from that move.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's like such a big move. The sellers just stop.
It's like
a lot of times
Citadel
you can't move like that all day.
It's like Citadel decided to sell in the first hour of the session and then they stopped.
Yeah. And they just started buying.
Yeah, probably. Okay, let's see what happens here. It's got 2 VWAPs now sitting on top of each other.
CVD basically hit 0 on that last pump.
Okay.
But doesn't look like the rejection is sustaining.
No, it looks like I'll get stopped here.
Fucking crazy.
Looks like there's good odds I'll get stopped here. And then, I don't know, dude. I'm just struggling to get to this payout.
Yeah.
Keeps getting so close and then back a step and then I'll win a trade or two. And then I'm like, all right, I'm right there again.
Yeah, true. But that's not what it's about. You know, it's about the process. And I think if we're back to our discussion in the last few days, the VWAP bounce plays to the long side, this is equivalent, right? This is a break play playing out again.
Yeah.
Just to the downs. I mean, just we sold off out of the open and then we're breaking back across. So in this setup, we should have played the break rather than, and it wasn't the ideal break, but it's because we had the VWAP sitting above there, but it's just higher probabilities in these.
The breaks are better probabilities, 100%.
Yeah.
That's everything I'm seeing recently.
Yeah.
False hope.
Still in.
Yeah. that was, it looks closer than it was. I mean, I was still 2 points off, but 2 points in this is like, it's like a tick in a regular day.
Yeah.
So it's basically, we'll just call it, I was a tick away from stop loss. Like right now, if you look at this, I'm almost 10 points from stop loss. Look how close that.
Yeah. We've got, NQ was very close to New York, but it didn't actually reach it. So it's rejecting now again.
Okay.
Which is kind of supporting the thesis that we could see another move down.
Yeah. It's uncomfortable having to stop this tight. You're like,
yeah.
I knew it could hold these VWAPs, but there we go.
But those are your lines from stop defense.
Loss. Yeah, they are. You're right. I'd be confident in this trade if we actually break back below, but this could be, a break in a retest to go higher.
Yeah,
of course. I mean, it could do anything, but
yeah. I have another eval, so I'm gonna try and see if I can either long the bounce or the or short the break.
Nice. Short on NQ, Orange Grove. Nice. Bring us down. Hopefully you put a lot of orders in there.
Put a lot of that Orange Grove capital in there.
Yeah. Yes. Bring us our money.
I'm short with y'all too, by the way.
Me, Orange Grove, and Mike. Ride or die.
Ride or die.
I'm short on the shitter account. I'm short on the swing account.
Short on any evals?
Well, the shitter.
Oh.
Oh, and yes, I am also short on 25K Lucid Flex.
Nice. Let's get this bread.
I'm gonna put 20 micros on this eval if I get a setup, and then I'm going for 16 points.
Wow. I like it. I like the aggressive eval stop. Plays. What kind of eval is it?
Here's the 15-minute. Come again?
He's concentrating.
Oh, my bad. I said, what kind of eval is it?
It's one of these elite access from TOF.
Nice.
So it's these $39 evals.
Yeah, that's such a good price.
And it's one
What
of
a
those where I
good
got
price.
2 for 1. So yeah, it's pretty much free.
Sounds like free to me.
Yeah.
Anything
Having
below
said that,
100 bucks
I've
is
blown
free.
3 out of 4, right? So it's his last one.
The fourth one, this one will hit. Watch this break here.
That's all I need.
For everything but the shitter account, my first profit target's at 27.
Oh, wow.
That's really tight.
Woohoo!
Well, it isn't in normal conditions.
That's
but-
my entry. 27.
My entry on the swing account is 50. Also on the evals, 48. And then
There we
48
go.
on
This is
this
looking better.
shitter account.
Nice. This is looking better.
Coming back.
All right. I took off half on the swing.
I will say if I wasn't already short, I'd get short on this break.
Yeah, I just need to see that I'm not getting faked out here. It forms a wick and then bounces.
Also, if you look at it now, it's actually a break play, not a bounce,
Yeah,
which is much more probable. So now that we're actually getting some time above it, retest a few ups, and now a break, those are the trades that tend to work more. So no, but I know what you mean
Yeah,
though. This could
Full V-
very well bounce. You know, you could get the break above, bounce to go higher. So
Yeah.
I understand
Just a
why
few
you wouldn't
minutes
wanna
of-
just YOLO into
few
it.
minutes of interaction is what I'm looking for now, and see which side it comes out at. But we've
Short
got full
now?
view up alignment
Nice,
to the
Ryan.
downside.
Ryan got
Awesome.
short there. I like that entry a lot. Obviously,
Yeah.
right now it's like you're like, oh, it's pushing back up. Feels bad.
Yeah,
That's what
but it can
happened
be a
when I
wick.
got short here. The next candle pushed all the way up to here.
Yeah.
I mean, there was a big wick, but it was just like, what?
That's the thing about the 1 minute, right? It can trip you up just from the signature of
For
each
sure.
candle. Yeah.
For sure. See, this one's leaving a nice little wick there too. But I like the short. I'm riding this out.
This is fun. We got some trades.
I know it is.
Yeah. We're actually trading.
Yeah, yesterday I was just sitting there watching it the whole time.
And then you get setups at like what, 2, 3 p.m.
Yeah, not sticking around for that.
Nope.
I don't have the mental capacity to look at the charts for 4 hours
No.
or 8 hours.
It makes make too many mistakes.
Oh yeah.
At
I'd end up
minimum-
forcing something.
At minimum, I need to take a break in the middle.
I 100% would if I look at the charts for that long during a day, I'd have to take a trade. I'd be too bored.
Yeah.
Like I wouldn't be able to stay flat even if there's nothing. I'd be like, all right, I'm gonna try something here. This is boring.
Agree. Are we gonna go down from here?
Selling pressure.
Ticks or ducks?
There's nothing.
There's nothing.
It's
Okay.
silent.
No noise.
Oh, ducks.
Ducks. Wow, that's quick. They come in as soon as the candle starts like
Yeah.
printing.
Yeah. But
It's testing
it
New
was-
York right now.
It wasn't like a strong duck. It was just like a duck. You know, like the what you're
baby
really
duck?
looking for is like
Rubber duck?
continuous ducks or continuous
Duck.
goose.
Is that is that what it sounds like?
Yeah. It's a
Duck.
strong male voice just saying goose.
Fuck. It's like
Did you
this.
say goose?
No.
Oh,
Get it?
oh.
kidding.
What are we pushing here for? Don't do this to me.
All right. I'm out on the what's it called?
I'm gonna be
On
out
the
here
eval.
in 1 second. Well, good times.
Any news or anything? Just a
No,
buying
just
Like a
pressure.
juice.
Just like a 30-point candle. It's fine.
Oh, juice is speaking.
Man,
Juice is speaking.
how big
You're
was
out.
that? That was a 20-point 1 minute candle.
I didn't hear what they said, but the juice did just speak.
Yeah, nothing
Damn, hit
on
my
the
stop.
text
I'm
yet.
with you. I'm with you there, Ryan.
Bah.
That hit my stop as well.
Crypto fear and greed index at 12. Extreme fear.
That's time to buy.
I hope so. I mean, listen.
I'm gonna
been
double
holding out
down on
for-
my crypto if we get to like 50,000 on Bitcoin.
450 on
I've
that.
been holding my crypto since 2020.
Nice.
Lots of ups and downs.
Yeah. Are you adding to it then over time, or?
Not really. Like, I've come to terms like whatever I have is what I have.
Mhm.
You know, and that's okay. You know, if it makes me a millionaire in 20 years, fantastic.
Fantastic, yeah. Suddenly we're looking at longs, right? We get NQ break above, and
Yeah, I don't know what I'd be looking at here.
This is,
I
mean, fun price action, but definitely tough for sure.
yeah.
Yeah, that's a tough trade.
I have to say the only reason I'm looking for anything is because it's an eval. I'm not even considering putting my Symfundits on here.
Yeah, I don't think I'll want anything else. It's just, I don't know.
Let's just put I'm just gonna put the 5 minute on and see. So we got a pretty bullish looking 5 minute. We could
You want me to throw you up there?
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. We're clicking too many buttons.
Yep.
You do it.
Okay.
There we go. I'm just putting the 5 minute on here. Sometimes I flick through the time frames just to see how the signature is. Pretty bullish, obviously. Let me just put the 2 minute on as well. It was a really nice bounce, right? On the 2 minute.
72 point bounce from the low there.
It's crazy.
Wow.
And somehow I get that a lot. I always end up on the wrong side of moves like that.
Yeah. Yep. Just got cooked. Well, to be honest, I could have waited for more of a turn off the view up there.
What was your entry time?
10:04.
Yeah, that's the thing, right?
Wasn't that when you got into?
When I blew it, yeah. I guess. Let me just double check. I got 10:04. Yes.
10:04. So that candle, like I didn't wait for the candle to close. I got in as it was turning. You know, it left a wick off the view up, and when it was red, it was forming like a bearish candle. And I was like, all right, let me just get in here because I was like, I don't want to be too picky. Right. I know all day I've been saying I want the short here. We finally got the pullback to VWAP. Now let me get short.
Yeah.
And the candle closed bullish. And if you look at it, the next candle broke through. We never had a bearish close off the VWAP, which I usually wait for. So I think I was being too quick to be like, oh, I want to be involved.
I told you to wait for your candle.
Yeah, I should have, but I think I was also drawing it up and I'm like, oh yeah, if I can get 1R right here. If I get the entry right here, if I wait for a close, I might get, like 0.7, 0.8R.
But again, back to the
like
discussion about the bounces. I'm looking at this like a bounce just to the downside. It's I can't remember when I've won a clean bounce the last time.
No. Let me throw that one in.
So NQ is still bearish. A higher low on NQ on the 1 minute and then break back above New York would convince me to long it on the eval.
This guy's talking about longs.
Yes.
Okay, there's that day. Now let me go to today. I'm still the last 2 trades I've taken, I didn't add to the the strategies reports to show
Okay.
my bounces and my breaks. So my last one before this one was a break that was a winner, and this one was another bounce that's a loser. So that's going to change them
Yeah.
both.
Because we took, I think we took the same trade on Tuesday. That was the break, right?
Yep. Yeah. So now my
Um,
bounces,
yeah, exactly.
my bounces are red overall, $64, just about break even.
Okay.
56% win rate over 55 trades. That's pretty significant.
Yeah.
They're just break even.
And those were the breaks, or
That's
those
that's
were
the
the
bounce.
okay.
The breaks are up $4,400 for me
Boom.
with a 78% win rate.
What more information do you need? You just gotta wait for the breaks to.
I know.
There's nothing wrong with being a one-trick pony.
Exactly.
Like-
yeah.
The breaks are making me every single bit of my profit is coming from the breaks.
Yeah.
All of it. The
And what
bounces are
was
just
it?
holding me back.
Was it break even on the bounces, or were you negative?
Negative $64. So break
Okay.
even.
Break even. Yeah.
Just 56% win rate with whatever the R multiple is, leaves it to be just about. I'm not making anything on it. So that was another bounce there where I didn't, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
and like, if you look at that, obviously you wouldn't take a break there, but the break would have won.
Exactly. You could get a lot of points from that break with this volatility.
Yep. I need just stricter something about the bounces. I need to change. I was telling you guys actually, I should have stuck to that today. I think, as I said, I think when I do bounces, I'm gonna do a way tighter stop loss because the bounces that do work fast. You don't spend time on the wrong side of VWAP when they
Yeah.
work.
Yeah.
That's just from looking at all my markups. The winning bounces will be like, I can throw my screen up real quick. Oops. Oh, I just removed you, not your screen.
Nice.
Okay. Like the winning bounces will like, for example, none of this will happen. It'll bounce here and it'll just go.
Super clean. Yeah.
Those are almost all my winning ones that I looked at for the past like 2 months. And all the losing ones do something like this, spend some time on the wrong side, maybe give you a little bit of hope, and they lose. So if
And
I
then
start doing something like on the bounces, just to change it up, something like this, just like a kind of like you see these highs here,
Yeah.
tight stop with a positive R trade, and it'll tell me I'm wrong quick, and I can just still try the bounces, and I think that'd be a decent fix of it.
I think so, because you will survive it, right?
And also just maybe sizing down on them. Like I took a full size trade there when I know that my bounces haven't been working.
Yeah.
Maybe I should have sized down and done a tighter stop to be like, okay, another bounce that's not working for me.
Yeah.
The recommendation though I have for you is do something and stick to it for a month. Don't like change it or tweak it, after a week or a day or whatever.
Yep.
Because one trade is not evidence of anything. 2 trades is not evidence of anything. 10 trades maybe, given how often you trade, but like you got to stick to it.
I think I'm going to. I think that's what I'm going to do. Smaller size and tighter stops on any bounce trades that I take, and then I'm going to see if the stats turn around over the next month or two. I'm going to look at right now it's negative $64, and I'm going to see if it starts trending upwards.
I think that's a good experiment.
Something has to change with it. Can't just keep taking them, and you know what I mean? They're not working.
Yeah, and I agree with your point about it gives you some hope, but then it actually bounces on the opposite side of your key level. It happens a lot to me. I've taken many back in March and February. I took a lot of these trades where I would exactly like this, where I would short the bounce and it would just grind higher and higher and higher, and stop me out after 2 hours or something like that, where I'm just holding on to hope.
What do you think, Jesper? Are you going to try anything different?
I'm going to buy this.
Okay. But I mean, for your bounce trades, are you going to switch anything up? with all the everything
I'm
saying that
just-
it's not working.
I think I'm not going to do it, to be honest.
That actually might be a good strategy too, is just let them go by.
I think that it's a market condition thing, right? Where in these sideways markets, they're obviously not playing out. So why am I even trying? And that's the idea for me. So once I gotta be attentive, right? Because once market conditions change, then obviously I need to do something, right?
Yep, you got to be
Then
able
the
to
bounces
adapt.
might come back into play.
Yeah, bounces used to work. Now they don't.
Yep.
Now they're just holding
They'll
you
work
back.
again at some point in the future.
Yeah,
100%.
that's why I don't want to remove them entirely, and then you won't even realize they're working again until a month after they've been working. If you're not taking them, you'll look at all your markups and be like, "Huh, you know what? These bounces, they seem to be playing again. I got to add these back."
Exactly.
But right now they suck. It's the worst trade.
100%.
And it used to be for a couple months at a time. It was my number one trade. It was like the bread and butter of my strategy was a bounce trade.
Yeah. So let me just bring up my screen. I'm on this eval long here.
Oh yeah. I forgot you're long. Yeah. I wonder if Austin and Evan are noticing the same thing as well and talking about it.
The bounce plays?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good point.
I wonder. I haven't been on their stream in months or anything, but I wonder
No, me either.
if they're noticing it and being like, "Yeah, this trade's not working right now." Like they must.
Yeah, and they've been doing a lot of the double breaks, right? So that's been coming into fashion again.
I don't think I don't think they're taking bounces at all. I don't see their trades or when they post them, but I just seen that like Evan posted his calendar on Instagram and he was like
Right.
green almost every day of
It's
of
crazy.
the month. And I'm like,
Yeah.
clearly you're not taking bounces because every single one this month has lost, so you'd be red. Like
100%. Yeah. If I hit TP, I haven't really done the detailed calculations, but I could be sitting right around passing this eval.
nice.
So I don't want to give it too many more points, but it's just it's going to be annoying if I'm missing like $30.
I like it. So now again I am let's see. I mean that was a pretty decent sized loser. So now I need $1,200 for payout. So that's three $400 trades. So I'm 3 trades from payout again.
Yeah, it is
Just
what it is.
keep getting there. I'll be 1 trade from payout, and I'll lose a trade. I'm like, all right, now I'm 2 trades from payout. Lose another trade. Now I'm 3 trades. Then I'll win a trade. Okay, I'm 2 trades again. Win another one. All right, I'm
Yep.
right there. I'm going to take a payout tomorrow. Back again, and it's been like that
Back
for
again.
3 weeks, about 3 weeks, I think. Where I'm
It's
just
crazy.
I'm like, okay, tomorrow I'm going to take this payout tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to lose a trade again. Okay, I lost a trade.
That is
The
the
next day
game.
I lose again, and then I win again. And I'm like, okay, payouts in sights again, and it's just been break even trading. I haven't haven't been going down. You know what I mean? I haven't been losing it, but
Right.
it's been. I'm like, come on, dude, I'm right here. Just give me 3 days in a row, 3 winning trades in a row.
That's all you need. Break plays, not bounce plays.
Yeah, the bounce plays are setting me back. Let me go to all my red days this month.
I was just 4 points off of passing the eval. Let's see how it goes.
Okay.
I guess this is also, yeah, so NQ is sitting at New York, so it's a bit of a reaction there. What's YM doing today? What? It's crazy. We should just have longed YM today. Look at this. Beautiful hold of the overnight,
man.
break back above, and then you're just in for, what is that? 600 points.
We weren't looking at the indicator. YM was showing green the entire time.
Yeah, it has been.
Okay, I just looked at all my red days of the month. I have 5 of them. 4 out of 5 were from bounce trades. One of them was a break.
Yep. Okay. That was your losing
So-
trades?
4, yes, my red days of the month. I have 5 of them.
Okay. Yeah.
4 out of 5 of them were from trying bounce plays.
Yeah. There you go.
So, and then one of them was just a probability loss on my, and I bet if I looked at all my winning days of the month, all my green days, I bet like the same thing. 75% of them were probably break plays.
Right. You've got no more excuses to play the bounces in these conditions.
Nope.
I'm actually, I mean, again, this is an eval. My entry is way off the New York, right? So I'm playing the bounce of the other 2 VWAPs, which could come back to hurt me, right?
Yeah.
But let's see where we go. How is everything going with the stocks? Max 7 is just pure red as well, except for Tesla, which is the one Max 7 stock that I have.
SpaceX down $1.
Oh no! Sell, sell, sell. Has Jim Cramer said anything about SpaceX? I guess he has. Do you know Jim Cramer?
He probably did. There's no way that he didn't have some sort of
Right.
comment on it.
I think he's bearish on it. I don't think he likes it.
Well, yeah, because everyone keeps saying like, it came out at a 2 trillion market cap, but it really should only be worth 800 billion.
Yeah,
But,
yeah.
people forget the Elon effect.
Yeah,
like-
exactly. It's not just fundamentals.
Yeah.
Okay. I just went through all my green days of the month. I have 8 of them. 6 of them were from break plays. 2 of them were from bounces. So
There you go.
yep. So
It's screaming at you.
yep. Majority of my red trades, 80% of my red days were breaks, and then I don't know, a high percent of my green trades were from breaks, and my red ones are from bounces. So
Yep.
just tells me what's holding me back. I mean, the breaks are 80% win rate. If I just took those, I don't know.
And then the thing is, I mean, maybe you can sort that or filter for that as well, because a break play today down here, that would be a break into the other VWAP. So you could trade that level to level, right?
Yeah, that's
sometimes
a
it's
little
going to be
bit
different.
risky.
You're going to have full alignment, and that's of course you'll have to. I mean, you'll be flat more days, but they're higher probability.
And that might be the method. How many break trades do you get a week? How many good break trades do you get a week with VWAP alignment? 3?
Good question.
2, 3? But you take those and you avoid the other days where the bounce trades hold you back, and you have 3 winning trades that week.
You can,
Versus-
in theory, have unlimited. You can look at stocks. Stocks all get break trades too.
Yeah, I'm not going to do that, but I see the vision. I'm just, but like, I don't know whether to just size down and tighten stop or whether to just completely pull them out. I'm not sure what makes more sense. We'll talk to Zella
neither.
AI and see what it thinks.
Do that. It can actually be. I mean, I've had some pretty good pointers, I would say, from Zella AI.
Yeah, that's why I was messing with it, and that's where I learned that my shorts have been higher probability too.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I was like, whoa, you know what? I'm usually long biased, but my shorts are a higher win rate. And I was like, I did not even know that.
Right.
By like 10% too.
Yeah.
Like much higher. And I was taking like 3 times more longs. So it was like, maybe slow down on your long bias and,
Yeah, exactly.
and consider taking more shorts, because you're
In these
taking more
conditions as
longs
well.
and you're
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if you look at the daily chart, it's from May. You really see the definition of stair steps up, elevator down.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, like, especially on the type of style that you trade, like, you're going to see more profits on the shorts here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
100%.
Although we did take the elevator up on June 12th to June 15th.
It happens. That's probably news related.
My
That
notes
was
itself.
oh yeah, the Knicks won the championship. That's what it was.
I should have
June-
sized down today. That's what I
June
should have
13th.
done.
But you
I
did
was
size
eager though.
down,
I
right?
was thinking this is a high probability bounce. I was like, this is. I want this. I want this to be a good trade, but unfortunately, it just was not.
I'm
think
also
the
kind of
seller-
annoyed about this late entry here. I could have gotten follow through much earlier.
I think the sellers are cooked though. Like, they've had now a lot of chances to put the pressure back on,
Right.
and they just haven't.
I think so too. I think we're spending time above all VWAPs and we're making higher
Yeah.
highs and higher lows from the bottom here. I mean, we've
And
almost
MQ is-
bought back up the entire move from the morning, so I don't have a what do you call it? A short bias anymore. I also just
No.
don't think I'm going to trade again.
No. Makes
I mean,
sense.
if I were to take my next trade, it'd be a bounce on VWAP, and you know what I mean. That's my next read is, oh, you know what? I think the longs are back in. Let me take this bounce, but like we've been saying, those bounces are not working. So
Exactly.
I'm not going to take it.
And you would be taking a bounce off New York with like up into the other VWAPs. So you would be, it's
Yeah.
just, it's
Yeah,
a weird
and-
setup.
If it's any consolation, it's not a valid VWAP bounce on VWAP wave system because we never got into price discovery.
Right.
That makes sense. I don't think it's really valid for my system either. I think it'd be a little bit forced.
I guess Drysdale would also say context, right? Again, back to the, if we see price discovery in this context, is it really sustained? Is it going to be sustained because we're sideways on the high time frame?
I mean, Drysdale says we're in balance on all time frames.
Yeah.
The only argument, the only one that's quote unquote imbalanced is still the yearly. So I was talking about that 63 level. We got relatively close. We didn't
Mhm.
tap it, but like, do we have to tap it? Not necessarily. It was a 70-point bounce as we got close to it. So
Yo, next week's my week.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I need 3 trades, right? I need 3 trades for payout. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Those
Just
are the
focus
days.
on what works. Yeah.
Yep, I just got to stop. I feel like every time I get close, I think it's probably because every time I get close, I take a bounce trade and lose $450, and then
Yeah.
think like,
Any
I don't know.
consolation? This is reversing on me, and I'm gonna get stopped out.
yeah.
Let's see. I'm down 700 on this one now. It's just breaking down.
If I were just to say focus on my statistics here, I'd say, why don't I just take a break back down here? But I don't want to.
Yeah.
I don't love it. Making higher highs, higher lows, and
Yeah, but the 15-minute is bearish. I think this is a lower high on the high time frame.
yeah.
Whatever.
And the original stop that I said was like the real stop that I wanted would have held, but I would not. I just wouldn't. You know what I mean?
Right. Let's see. We've got one viewer left. This is a
that's
boring
me.
session. It's you.
Yeah.
Oh, we have nobody.
Success.
What happened to the 10
Success.
viewer days? We were having like 10
Yeah, I don't
viewers
know.
like last week, and
I-
now this week
I need
it's
to
been 3.
up the marketing a little bit on this.
Yeah, we were consistently above like 7 or 8 viewers last week,
Yeah.
2 weeks ago, and this week it's been 2-3 at all times. I'm
It's
like,
the news value. I think.
and our dogs Francis and Zubin have been gone.
yeah, and
They
John.
left us. One of you guys said was like, maybe it's because they seen too many losers on stream.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
We just been losing too much on stream.
That's how
and
we
they're
roll.
Like, all right, let me go find someone who wins.
Finding someone who wins is easy, you know. Finding someone who loses on stream, that's hard.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's true.
stick around.
They've got that little trading view paper trading logo on the bottom, and then
Yeah.
you
Guys, we
seen
just
this-
made $120,000 in 5
Yeah.
minutes. Buy
have
my
you seen
course.
this 12-year-old guy? I think he's called Nolan Trades NQ, and he's just cursing, swearing in
No.
his entire reels, and I'm up $300 gazillion on this trade, and then he gets stopped out. He gets stopped out every single time, but he's super fun.
No, I haven't seen him. He sounds funny.
Nolan.
Yeah, Nolan Trades NQ, I think.
It's trades the
That's really-
DAC, you mean?
The DAC, yeah, that's true. Yeah, is this really high-pitched 12-year-old? He's just
On
he's-
Instagram?
On Instagram, yeah.
Yeah, but if he's doing that right now, like by the time he gets 18, he'll get good.
Exactly.
If he stays consistent.
Oh, just a little guy. He looks fun.
Yep.
Hey, somebody I know, like IRL, follows him.
Yeah, you guys should also you can reshare my my cool AI images of the live stream.
That's a good idea.
Pick up
Gotta
some.
promote. I gotta start a trading Instagram though. I just
Yeah.
never do. Because then I know that I'll have to actually start making content. It sounds like a hassle.
You don't really have to. Just whenever you feel like it, right?
That's true. I didn't sign a contract or anything. You're right.
Nope. Exactly.
We're signing contracts.
Yeah.
I gotta get
At
my
some
lawyer
point.
involved.
Yeah, we gotta discuss our salaries.
Yes.
What are we getting
If you win more, you can we can discuss.
Bring in more viewers. That's
Yep. Oh, we
Yeah.
got 2 viewers now.
Hey,
Awesome.
say
The
something in
bot.
chat.
It's a bot.
And the
guaranteed.
buyers are coming in. It's a bot, yeah. It's a Russian bot. Are we getting overwhelmed by ticks now?
I'm not gonna lie,
Flushing
I'm
the
long.
system.
You're
I'm
long.
You're long.
On
Awesome.
the eval.
The goat
Yes,
is
me too.
long.
Pump it to the moon.
I think I just came up with a conclusion.
There
I'm
you
gonna
go.
Yeah.
take the bounce trades in a different account that's not my account close to payout, so I can still get the statistics of it.
Yep.
With the
When
tighter stop.
when it changes, yeah.
Yep, and I'll take my good
that.
high probability trades in my account close to payout.
Look at that smart guy.
I didn't even think about that. I just forget that I have accounts sitting there. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like I just don't even think about it.
Yeah.
But
Too
that's
many of
what
them.
makes sense. Is just I still get the stats on it, and I don't have to risk my payout on it.
I might just add in here. I'm only 2
Yeah.
minis in. I can go 3 minis. That will get my target a little bit closer.
Boys,
I'll
you know
add
what
in
time it
here.
is, right? I gotta take a shit. You know what time it is. So
Yes.
With 10 minutes
Don't
left,
take a
like, I
shit.
gotta
it's
make
that time of the morning for me. It comes every day. I'll be back.
Come on, buyers. How much we up? I'm up six. I need 600 more. 600 more with 30 micros. It's 4 points.
My max profit for this eval is at 74.83.
Okay. That's what you need to pass, or
No, then I'll need like 200 to pass, but I can only make 650 a day
okay on the eval.
on the eval. Yeah, it's
Okay.
a flex account, so you can only make 50% profit. What's it called? Consistency.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
I don't have
you to
consistency
pass
on
in-
this one.
You have to pass really in 3 days because unless you can get exactly $650 after commissions,
Mhm.
you have to pass in 3 days.
Yeah. I can't calculate commissions on these things. I mean, I just go for a few more points. It's so crazy when you're trading 30 micros. If you're doing that with your live capital.
General rule of thumb, it's $1.50 round trip per micro.
Yeah. Okay.
Plus or minus 50 cents,
Right.
Usually plus, but. Oh, come on.
This is insane. Come on.
Come on. You want to go. You want to go.
We got to get this before 11 a.m. You got to get this trade in.
Do you have a hard stop? I don't have a hard stop today.
No, but I've got the kids downstairs, so I just gotta. Come on. Not this consolidation shit. The magic happens when Griffin is in the toilet. At the toilet.
Yeah, we gotta tell him to go take a shit sooner.
Yeah, more often and sooner. Yeah.
He's gotta have more fiber.
Exactly. Okay, I'm $200. Come on, $200.
There we go. There's a
and
pump.
I'm above. There's go. I'm out. 53,130. That was my trade. So I passed this shit.
I'm trailing.
There we go. Are you still in it?
Yeah.
Up to 83?
Nice. Let's go to 83. 13 more points ish.
That was the pop we've been waiting for. You're on NQ, I guess. Should we bring yours up? Just
sure.
To finalize. Can you edit yourself or do you need me?
I cannot edit myself. I need you.
Okay. I'll do that. There we go.
You just got my trade C. No analysis, no indicators.
Nice.
Just a VWAP.
You're ambitious with that target, but it is what it is.
I mean, listen, the realistic target is probably right here, and I'm not saying, yeah,
it's a crazy fucking day. I mean, we're gonna see a full retracement of that sell-off.
Let's go.
It's exactly like I said. The daily candle is gonna be this massive pickup of price. Look at it. Wow. Fascinating. Let's go, LFG.
Go.
Griffin,
go back to the bathroom.
The longs are crushing it.
Go back to the bathroom, Griffin. Go back.
Oh, it was good luck when I'm gone? Is that what it is?
No, specifically when you're taking a shit.
Okay. We gotta start.
Do you know the term?
Stats of that.
Do you know the term Poseidon's kiss?
No.
You know who Poseidon is?
Yeah.
The Greek god of the ocean, right? Poseidon's kiss. Poseidon's kiss is when you drop when you're on the shitter and you drop a poo into the toilet and it comes up the water from the toilet comes up and kisses your butthole.
I knew you were gonna say that. I knew
Poseidon's
as soon as
kiss.
You started saying Poseidon's kiss. I knew what it was gonna be too. I don't know how, but I was
toilet humor. That's what Price did just now when you were in the.
I got tapped out. I choked it a little bit, but I put it at a level that I can pass it tomorrow.
Boo!
That's nice.
Boring.
Should I just get back in?
People want to see you full porting.
You want me to full port?
So yeah, full port. It's up to you. So I've got 2 emails now. One is top 1 futures, hard breach on your account. It happens to the best of us, Jesper. And the other one is congratulations on passing. It's like the definition of YOLOing.
Hard breach. It happens to the best of us. That's what it always says.
How many of those emails have we gotten?
0.
Are you back in, Mike?
Buying the top. Full port.
Beautiful.
Woo!
Okay. going.
All right, I do have to hop off a couple minutes early here, so I got to get going.
That's all right. That's all right.
I'll be back on tomorrow. Let's get it
guys-
done tomorrow.
Likewise.
You guys, look what
Likewise.
you
See
did
you
to me.
tomorrow.
All right. Peace out.
Take it easy.
It's out. It's gonna pop.
It's gonna pop.
It's not like buyers have been in for the last hour or something like that.
Oh,
I like that entry, Mike. That's ambitious. It's even more ambitious than holding on to the 83 target. Taking an entry there.
This is for the stream. This is for the clip.
Yes.
It's gonna go.
I'm gonna do more of that. I'm gonna do more of the so I'm gonna ask for your consent. I'm gonna do more of the quick reels from the live stream. That's also advertising.
That's fine.
Good. Did you see the samurai one today?
What you said?
I posted a samurai
Yep.
story
I
with the
saw
three of
that.
us. It was an easy one to make because I didn't need to, face likeness or anything like that. I also updated the one from yesterday. I don't know if you saw that. I'll bring up my screen. I'll go to my YouTube here. Live. There we go. This one here. I can show it over here. This one here, the three of us in a river with a bear coming at us. But the thing is, I could not get the AI to actually get the person to point at the bear. It was it's stupid.
That's really funny.
Yeah. It's one of the I think it's one of the hardest things with the AIs is actually making them point also with eye contact, like looking in the right direction. Are you still in your trade there?
I flipped short, but I moved it to break even for a second.
Did you short it?
I got tapped. I flipped for short and I moved it to break even like immediately, and I got.
Oh goodness! Awesome.
No,
There
but
we
it's
go.
okay. Break even on the day. It's okay.
Yeah.
Eval.
I'm also. When you look at the price action today, I'm happy I traded the evals. I would say I'm also break even in the sense that I blew one and I passed one. So it's in that sense, it's pretty much a neutral day. I earned the right to pay the activation fee. It's what it is, isn't it?
In reality, that's probably how you're supposed to trade the evals. Oh my god, I should have held that short. Damn, that would have been passed.
Boom. Now you got to enter short. No.
I mean, I think this is actually a long location, though. No, like for real. Like this is where I normally would.
Yeah. But would you do that at this point? Is that the pro trader? But the price action is pretty crazy, actually. If you think about 64, that's a 14.1 minute drop on ES. It's really about sizing down on this. Anyway, I think that wraps it up pretty nicely. We're 2 minutes to the hour, and just having that, you said break-even day. I had a kind of a neutral day as well. Price action, taking into consideration, I think it's fair. I am going to go off desk now.
All right, dude.
Are you taking anything?
Oh, I'm in, but I'm gonna probably close it very quickly. That was a quick rejection, so.
You're tilting. Let's close it here. Good session. Thanks, Mike.
Easy,
Peace out, and see you tomorrow, right?
Yep.
Awesome.
See you.
See you, Jack.